أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the second juz of Surah Nazi'ati. So before starting this lesson, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos and similar online Islamic classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so kindly subscribe both channels for all the latest videos. So now we start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فأراه الآية الكبرى فأراه Ra we long due to standing fatha on it, and also we read in heavy sound. How we connect with the lam? Fa'arahul ayatal. We long because there is hamza. So this hamza we long due to standing fatha on it, as we say almost one alif. As we say ayatal, yatal. So ya we do not long. Mostly people long sometime ya, but we do not long ya here because ya only has fatha sign here. So we say ayatal kubra. Kaf we read in light sound. On the ba we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala, because the qalqala letter is coming in the middle of the word. That's why. And again ra we read in heavy sound and we long as well. And one more thing, because ya is silent here, we do not read ya because there is no any sign on it. So when we stop on this place, so we say ra with the standing fatha on it. If you want to continue, so you will read this standing fatha, and if you want to stop, so also you will read this standing fatha here, like kubra, in both conditions. Okay, so remember that when standing fatha comes on the stop place, so we read that because standing fatha is equal to alif madda, and alif madda we read on the stop signs. Another thing is, here is a circle which is a stop sign, and two another signs are coming, which is little za and solle. So both signs meaning is you have to continue on this place, but if your breath is short, you can stop because there is another sign as well, which is the circle. You can stop and you can continue as well. Otherwise, the meaning of these two signs, like don't stop. Okay, when these signs come, we do not stop there. You have to continue. But right now we can stop because there is one another sign which is circle, right? So we say now all together. فَأَرَاهُ الْآيَةَ الْكُبْرَى فَكَذَّبَ وَعَصَى. On the zal we make bit strong voice. First we connect kaf with the zal. فَكَذَّبَ وَعَصَى. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. Sad we read in heavy sound and also we long. And when we stop, so this standing fatha we long as well. So we say فَكَذَّبَ وَعَصَى ثُمَّ أَدْبَرَ يَسْعَى ثُمَّ. Sa we read in soft sound, and on the meme there is shad sign. We make ghunna, we long one alif, so we make nasal sound. Summa adbara. On the dal we make again qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Adbara yas'a. On the sin we make whistling sound and also hums quality, like the continuation of our breath. Yes. And here is ain letter, we long it due to standing fatha on it, as we say yas'a. So we say all together. Summa adbara yas'a. فحشر فنادى فحشر. So you can see here is one sign which is kif, like kaf and fa. It is called kif. Kif means you stop here. That's why we are stopping. So when we stop, so we do not read this fatha on the ra. We put only sukun sign here and we say fahashar, shar with the heavy sound of ra. Fanada. So noon we long due to alif madda here and dal we long due to standing fatha. So we say fanada. And also you can read together. فحشر فنادى فقال أنا ربكم الأعلى أنا ربكم الأعلى فقال. Qaf and alif we read in heavy sound. Qaf we are reading in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and alif we are reading in heavy sound because before the alif there is heavy letter. This is the reason. So we are saying, and also we are longing this qaf. Faqala ana. So ana word whenever come in the Quran, we will not long that word. So we only say ana. We cannot say ana because it's look like a alif madda is there, but we do not long here. As only we say ana rabbukumul. Rab we read in heavy sound, on the ba we make bit strong voice. Rabbukumul a'la. Ain we read from the middle of the throat, and also we make tawassut quality on the ain, and lam we long due to standing fatha. So we say a'la, and we say all together فقال أنا ربكم الأعلى فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى فأخذه الله. We do not long any letter in the first word. Only ha we read in heavy sound, zal we read in soft sound, and ha we connect with the name of Allah, and the name of Allah we read in heavy sound because before the name of Allah there is dhamma on the ha. So that's why. And also we long the name of Allah in because there is a standing fatha. So we say fa'akha فأخذه الله nakalal. Kaf we are longing due to alif madda because alif madda is there, and also we are reading alif in light sound. We are saying nakalal akhirati. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Akhirati. A we long due to standing fatha on it. Kha and ra we read in heavy sound. So we say akhirati wal ula. On the lam again tawassut quality. U we long due to waw madda. Lam we long due to standing fatha here. So we say wal ula. Now we say فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى. Inna. On the noon there is shadda sign. We make gunna. Fi we long due to yamadda. Zalika. Zala also we long due to standing fatha on it. Zalika la'ibratal. On the ba we make kalqala. Ra we read in heavy sound. La'ibratal liman. After the tanween there is lam. We make idgham without gunna. So we are only connecting la'ibratal, which is idgham, liman. So after the noon sakin, the next letter is ya, which is one from 6 yarmalun letters. That's why we are making idgham with gunna here now. Liman. And also we are longing one alif. Yakh. The kha we read in heavy sound, and also we are making hams quality on the kha. yakh, like the continuation of our breath. Liman yakhsha, sheen we long due to standing fatha on it, and also we make the fashi quality in the sheen. Liman yakhsha. Inna fi dhalika la'ibratan liman yakhsha. Inna fi dhalika la'ibratan liman yakhsha. And now you can see here is ayn, which is ruku sign, and little tha, which is the stop sign as well. So we are stopping. And the next is a'antum ashaddu khalqan amis sama banaha a'antum. On the noon we make ikhfa. After the noon sakin there is ta, that's why a'antum, and this ikhfa is also light. After the mim sakin, the next letter is hamza. We make the clear sound of mim. A'antum ashaddu, like the izhar shafawi it is ashaddu. On the dal we make bit strong voice. Khalqan, kha, qaf and alif. These three letters we read in heavy sound. Lam we read in light sound. Khalqan amis sama'u. And after the tanween which is on the qaf, the next letter is hamza. We make izhar here, the clear sound of noon. Khalqan qan, okay, like that. Amis sama'u. On the scene we make whistling and hums quality. Mim we long due to mad sign here, which is the big mad sign, which is called madde muttasil. So we long almost 4 to 5 seconds. Amis sama'u. And here you can see little toy is there, so we have to stop here. So when we stop, so we make nabr here, like on the hamza we make nabr. So we make then little louder sound. So we say amis sama, like that, right? Like we are making loud our sound as we say amis sama banaha. Noon we long due to standing fatha on it, and ha we long due to alif madda. Even we stop or even we continue, so we say banaha. And now we say again a'antum ashaddu khalqan amis sama banaha. A'antum ashaddu khalqan amis sama'u banaha. And again here is give some, we stop. Rafa'a samkaha fasawwaha Rafa'a. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. Rafa'a. Samkaha. Sam. On the meme we make izhar shafawi, like the clear sound of meme. Samkaha. And also on the meme we make tawassut quality, and ha we long due to alif madda is there. Samkaha fasawwaha. On the waw there is shadda sign, we make nabr. Again we loud our sound on the waw when we connect. Fasawwa, and waw we long due to standing fatha on it. And similarly when we stop, so again there is alif madda, we long ha. Fasawwaha. Rafa'a samkaha fasawwaha. وأغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها وأغطش. Ghain and Taw we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letters, and on the Ghain we make rakhawa quality, like the continuation of our sound. So we say wa-aw-tasha, wa-aw-tasha, aw, right? Wa-aw-tasha. We cannot say wa-aw-tasha, which is kalkala sound, which is wrong here. Laylaha, this ya is ya lean. Ha we long due to alif madda. Laylaha. Wa-akhraja. On the kha and kha we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. And also on the kha we make hums quality, the continuation of our breath. Wa-akhra, wa-akhraja, wa-akhraja. Duhaha. Dad again we read in heavy sound. Ha we read from the middle of the throat and we long due to standing fatha. And make sure to read both letters sound separate, because the first is ha, which sound comes from the middle of the throat, and the second is ha, which sound comes from the bottom of the throat. So most of time we make mistake here. We mix up both letters sound. So that's why we need makharij and sifat, which is most important to understand and to read the separate sounds on the letters. So we say duhaha, duhaha, duhaha. And now we say wa-awtasha laylaha wa-akhraja duhaha. And here is little swat. If you want to continue, so you can continue on this place, but we are stopping right now here. So the next is wal-arda, wal-arda ba'da dhalika, ba'da dhalika dahaha, dahaha. Wal-arda. On the lam we make tawassut quality. And then ra we read in heavy sound, because ra is coming with sukun sign and there is fatha on the before letter. This is the reason. Dad we are reading in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Wal arda, wal arda ba'da. On the ain we make again tawassut quality, and also we are reading this ain from the middle of the throat. Ba'da dhalika. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to standing fatha. Kaf we read in light sound. Dhalika dahaha. Ha we read from the middle of the throat and we long as well due to standing fatha. And the next is ha, which sound comes from the bottom of the throat, and also we long this ha because there is alif madda. So make sure to read separate sound on the both letters and both will long. So we say dahaha. Now we say وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا, وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا أَخْرَجَ مِنْهَا, أَخْرَجَ مِنْهَا مَاءَهَا, مَاءَهَا وَمَرْعَاهَا, وَمَرْعَاهَا. أَخْرَجَ. Kha and Ra. أَخْرَجَ. On the Kha we make hums quality, the continuation of our breath, and also we read in heavy sound. Ra we read in heavy sound. أَخْرَجَ مِنْهَا. On the Noon we make izhar. Like after the Noon sakin, the next letter is throttle letter, which is ha. That's why this is izhar halaki here. So we say minha. Ha we long due to alif madda. Minha ma'aha. After the alif madda, the next letter is hamza is coming in the same word. So this is madde muttasil. We long almost 4 to 5 seconds. And ha we long due to alif madda. So we say ma'aha wa mar'aha. Ra we read in heavy sound due to sukun sign on it, and before there is fatha. That's why wa mar'aha. Ain we read from the middle of the throat and also we long, and ha we read from the bottom of the throat and also we long due to alif madda. And we also try to make the different sound between these two letters, which is most important. So we make the clear sound of both letters as we say wa mar'aha. And also this is a bit difficult place for the new pupil. We say أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها. So you have to practice. Again listen and practice. So practice is most important to remember or to read good lesson on this place. Alright. So we read the next. وَالْجِبَالَ أَرْسَاهَا وَالْجِبَالَ أَرْسَاهَا وَالْجِبَالَ. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Ba we long due to alif madda. وَالْجِبَالَ أَرْسَاهَا. Ra we read in heavy sound. Sin we long due to standing fatha. And ha we long due to alif madda. أَرْسَاهَا وَالْجِبَالَ أَرْسَاهَا مَتَاعًا لَكُمْ مَتَاعًا لَكُمْ وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ مَتَاعًا لَكُمْ. Ta we long due to alif madda is there. Allakum. After the tanween, the next letter is lam. We make idgham without gunna. Mata'an lakum. So after the mim sakin, the next letter is waw. So we make izhar shafawi here, the clear sound of mim, as we say mata'an lakum wa allakum wa wali an'amikum. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ain. So we make izhar halaki here, the clear sound of noon. Ain we long due to alif madda. Wali an'amikum wali an'amikum. And now we say mata'an lakum wali an'amikum mata'an lakum wali an'amikum. فإذا جاءت طامة الكبرى طامة الكبرى. فإذا zal we did in soft sound and also we long due to alif madda. فإذا جاءت jim we long due to alif madda and also there is big mad sign which is madde muttasil. So we long 4 to 5 seconds. We say جاءت. Ta we connect with the ta, so make sure to read separate sounds on the both letters. Ta is light, ta is heavy. Tit, tit. Ja'atit Qammatul. Ta and alif we read in heavy sound and also we long due to big mad which is madde lazim. After the madda letter, the next letter is coming with shadda sign. So this is called madde lazim kalmi musaqqal. So we long almost 4 to 5 seconds as well. So and also meme, on the meme there is a shadda sign, we may gunna. So we say Tammatul Kubra. On the kaf we read in light sound, on the ba we make qalqala, ra we read in heavy sound. Kubra. And now we say all together. فَإِذَا جَاءَتِ الطَّامَّةُ الْكُبْرَى. And now I repeat this complete lesson again, so listen carefully and revise with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. فَأَرَاهُ الْآيَةَ الْكُبْرَى فَكَذَّبَ وَعَصَى ثُمَّ أَدْبَرَ يَسْعَى فَحَشَرَ فَنَادَى فَقَالَ أَنَا رَبُّكُمُ الْأَعْلَى فَأَخَذَهُ اللَّهُ نَكَالَ الْآخِرَةِ وَالْأُولَى إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها رفع سمكها فسواها وأغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها والأرض بعد ذلك دحاها أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها والجبال أرساها متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the remaining lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.